Welcome everyone back to Mr. Dan Weather Update, and today's video we're going to have a look at the radar first, and then the weather warning says there's more weather warning to cover, at least for tomorrow, for rain, as you can see here on the icon, on the weather channel, but we'll have a look at that on the Met Office. We'll just have a look at the radar from here. So as you can see throughout the day, if we zoom out a little bit, we can see some heavy thundery rain in the Midlands, in some parts of Wales, southwest England. A lots of precipitation going on here for Sunday, as there's a weather warning today as well for that rain, but it's mostly to the southwest where there will be some heavy rain possible. We could even see a heavy rain possible. Have a look at the temperatures then. It doesn't seem like it's going to get very high. I only see some ambers and that's it. So probably going to range around, as it's going to be raining in them areas, 19 degrees probably at the most. Not the best day for weather animal. So having a look at more weather warnings again. Another yellow weather warning, an extended one this time. It is covering quite a large area, is this weather warning. Areas of heavy rain will may result in some destruction on Monday. So this is on Monday. So flooding possible, power cuts. Again, homes and businesses could be flooded, causing damage to buildings, and delays and cancellations to train and bus services are definitely possible. So here's some details. A band of heavy rain will affect many parts of England and Wales. It is a little bit uncertain. However, the areas of the heaviest rain will be the Midlands, northeast of England, East Wales. So that's where we're going to see the greatest amount of rain accumulations. The average we're going to see 30 to 50 millimeters anywhere in the warning area in less than 6 hours. And even in the course of 12 to 24 hours, we could see 80 to 100 millimeters per hour in an isolated area. So please watch out if that's happened. So you can see, have a look at the grid. It is unlikely, but has a medium impact. So you would want to be careful, as it is on the higher impact side of the weather warning grid. Alright, have a look at the precipitation for today. You can see here some precipitation for in the south, thundery probably. Again, we had a lot of thunder showers in the south yesterday. That will probably move to the southwest, northwest a little bit, and into the Midlands. Maybe even pushing a little bit more north at times onto Monday. Pushing a little bit more further east, this heavy rain. So that's where that weather warning said that might affect that area. You can see it's lingering about in there. Tuesday, you can see some hill snow on in Scotland there, with some heavy rain mixed into that. So it could, but that's obviously on hills, so it won't cause too much destruction. Otherwise, Tuesday itself pretty cloudy and showery, probably outbreaks of rain possible. Now looking on to Wednesday, another band of heavy rain pushing in from the west. That could actually give us a weather warning. We'll have to see how fast that moves in for. But again, another really unsettled day for Wednesday. And same goes for Tuesday as well, at least for the morning. A band of heavy rain moving in from the west Atlantic, probably moving further north. Otherwise, day of Thursday still showery and cloudy, with outbreaks of rain possible. Probably same goes for Friday as well. Not very nice. Obviously, getting into that autumn feel, as there's a lot more low pressure systems about. So 20 degrees is going to be our highest today in the Far East, where we're not going to see that rain. And then on to Monday, again 20 degrees in the far south, with mid-teens in the north. And then on to Tuesday, 18 to 17 degrees in most areas, but still could be mid-teens in most areas. And then on to Wednesday, much colder. Actually 17, and that's mid to low teens. Back to mid to low teens now. For now, unfortunately, we've lost that warm air. So 17 to 18 in the Far East, still got mid teens. Same goes for Friday. So it's definitely turning a lot more unsettled for the remainder of today, really. And the remainder of the week, if I have a look at the Cape levels, it should be... Oh, should be a few scattered more, but we'll have to see. That depends. Yeah. Right. GFS. You can see why we got this such low pressure system. There's a low pressure system opening up, also giving some more colder air as well. Hence why we can see all this low pressure system. You can see it's all under 1,000 millibars. So definitely going to be affecting the weather systems. It may be a little bit warmer coming onto the end of the week, but another dip of the low pressure system probably trying to push in for until October. I did say it's going to be a little bit unsettled, a lot more at least unsettled for the start of October and going into the rest parts. But it does seem like a little bit more milder weather, maybe a bit more high pressure, just at least in a few weeks. So we still have we're in the middle of this, so we have a long way to go. So we'll have to see on what happens there. So thank you very much for watching. I'll screenshot the weather warning just to make people aware on the thumbnail, and I'll see you in the next video.